Following DynaMed topics enables you to receive email notification when they have been updated. In addition, when signed in with your personal user account, your followed topics and updates can be easily accessed from the home screen. Begin by clicking the icon in the toolbar to sign into DynaMed with your personal account credentials. From a DynaMed topic, click the Follow icon to the right of the topic title. Select to receive all email alerts, only potentially practice-changing email alerts, or to view alerts on the home screen while receiving no emails, and click Follow. Once a topic is followed, you receive confirmation that you elected to follow the topic and receive emails. Returning to the home screen, click the Manage link under Recent Alerts, or click the account icon and select My Followed Content to view your followed topics and specialties. Return to a followed topic by clicking the hyperlinked title, or stop following a topic by clicking the trash can icon. You can also unfollow a topic by clicking the green Follow icon on the topic to stop receiving updates. At any time, you can click on the Help link to view the DynaMed user guide.